Hey everyone, I hope my video finds you okay. This time has been such that to think more about it is only going down a rabbit hole, and my prayers for myself and all of you is nothing but I hope we get to see each other soon on the other side. There is some resolve and respite soon, and I really want to hug some of you tight. That would be incredible for me. Yeah, that makes me feel, it warms my heart. So coming back to this bite, in my last video I had introduced you to energy work and how I'm integrating energy work with fashion and styling, and I've built my class on optimizing on energy work principles. Energy work is nothing but principles of quantum physics, which states that everything around us, ourselves included, are nothing but tiny vibrating particles of energy. How cool is that? When one starts to think of everything as tiny vibrating particles of energy, I don't know about you, but it excites me. So yes, unknowingly I was applying a lot of these principles to my wardrobe and my daily styling. And when I started studying about energy work more intensely and intently, I figured, well, lo and behold, that is exactly what I was doing. So I've studied it a little more, and I hope to continue to study it because this is really life shifting. I don't know about life changing. It shifted my life, and they're very soft, very slow, very steady shifts that happen if done consistently. Let me give you a feeler of energy work and everyday styling. I want you to go back in your memory and think of a favorite outfit. For the sake of making it very simple, can we all agree on choosing a t-shirt? Because a t-shirt is as basic as it gets and it's unisex. So let's go back into our memory and think of one of our favorite t-shirts. Why is it your favorite? Is it because you like the color? Is it because you like the fabric? Is it because you like the fit? It could be because you got many compliments in it. Now I want you to observe something. When you're thinking about it, has it not shifted your mood into a more pleasant space? Imagine wearing it. I can guarantee there will be a mood elevation. There will be a shift in posture, a change in posture. You will feel incredible. And that is what I am aiming at with optimizing. That right there, my dear friends, is energy shift and energy work in play. All these kind of concepts and so much more, ton of easy skills to make fashion an everyday thing. I know a lot of people have this thing about fashion, it seems unapproachable. Well, you see, fashion on Instagram, in the glossies, on runway is very different to everyday styling, because everyday styling has a lot to do with comfort, it has a lot to do with ease, and it has everything to do with fun. So see you in class in August. As soon as the dates are out, you will be the first to know. Till such time, stay healthy. That's the most important thing this year and forever. That's like my biggest thing before anything else. Staying alive and stay sexy. I know you guys are. And stay stylish. Lots of love, light and peace. See you on the other side really soon.